Alright, algebra needed for section 2.6. 1. Logarithm x squared plus logarithm x cubed. This is equal to logarithm x times x squared times x cubed, and I used the rule log a plus log b. A and b are called arguments of the logarithmic term. If I'm adding two separate log terms, I can write it with a single log term multiplying the arguments, a times b. Then, after you apply the property, you can simplify 1, 3, 6 log x to the 6. And then we take the exponent as a coefficient, which is 6 log x, and I use the property here, logarithm a to the power r, then exponent becomes the coefficient of the log term. Alright, property 2, log x plus log x squared of x. Squared of x, first I need to write it with an exponent instead of a radical. So this is 1, To convert into a exponent is 1, comes here, over your index, which is 2. And then I'm going to apply the same property, x times x to the 1/2. This is equal to log x, 1 plus 1/2 is my invisible 1. So log x to the power 3/2. And then I can apply the same property, 3/2 log x. 3 log x squared plus log y cubed minus log x minus log y squared. I would go from left to right. Now, when it is a addition, to write separate log terms, a single log, I multiply log x squared multiply y cubed. I can combine it more. And then I can apply the subtraction x squared y cubed that comes as a denominator, x squared y cubed, so as xy squared. And then the property I applied here is log a minus log b is equal to log a over b. If it's a subtraction, I take the ratio of the arguments. Here, as you can see, you can reduce more log. You have two of them upstairs, in the numerator, one downstairs. So basically, you subtract the exponents. 2 minus 1 is 1. So x to the power 1, but we never write it. So same way here, 3 minus 2 is 1. So log xy is your answer. For problem 4, log x over y minus log y over x. Now I'm going to apply the same property I applied in 3. Log a minus log b is log a minus b. So then this is going to be log x over y, y over x. Log, so to be able to simplify x over y, this is a division, convert into multiplication, and reciprocal of the denominator, x over y. So my answer is log x squared over y. 5 log 10 to the power x squared. If, you know, the base and the argument are the same, the answer is the exponent. So the property I used here is log 10 to the r is equal to r because the argument and the base is the same value, is the same term. 6, 10 to the power log x squared is the same way. If the base and the base of log term are the same, then the answer is the exponent, x squared. And 7 to the x equal 11. Solve for x. So I'm going to take the log of both sides. Exponent becomes the coefficient. And then x is equal to log 11 over log 7. And this will be approximately, 1.23. The way to take the exponent variable out of the exponent down is taking the log of both sides, or natural log. And 8, 1.05x is 2. So I'm going to take the exponent down, I'm going to take the log of both sides. So this is x log 1.05 is equal to log 2. So this is just a number, I'm going to divide both sides by log 1.05. So this is gone 1. So x is equal to log 2 over log 1.05, which will be approximately 14.2. Next question, 0.4x is 0.6. So I'm going to take a shortcut here. X log 0.4 is equal to log 0.6, and x is equal to here log 0.6 over log 0.4, and that will be approximately 0.56. All right, for problem 10, three times 1.04 to the power x equals 5. The coefficient has to go because I want my x term by itself to solve for it. Then 1.04 to the power x is 5 over 3. I divided both sides by 3, so this becomes a 1. Now I can apply the log. So x log 1.04 is equal to log 5 thirds. So then x is equal to, I'm going to divide both sides by this value. To isolate x. So then x is equal to log 5 thirds over log 1.04. You should be able to get the value 13.02. This is a 3. Next question, 11, 12, 0.86. X is 3. So I'm going to divide, of course, by 12. 0.86x is 3/12, which is, if I reduce it, 1/4. So then x log 0.86 is equal to log 1/4 is 0.25. Then x here is equal to log 0.25 over log 0.86 and approximately 9.19. And the last question, 0.17x is 0.25. So now 0.17 x term is equal to, oops, this is x, 0.25 over 9. Then x log 0.17 is log 0.25 over 9. Then x here is equal to log 0.25 over 9 divided by log 0.17. And x is equal to approximately 2.02. Thank you and see you next video.